gentlemen, I'm going to show you how to do a little bit of a burnout here. So, it might get a little loud, I'm going to have to yell, but you got a stick shift, you got 3 pedals down here. It can get complicated at times, but you got to have big feet. I'm even in flip-flops and I can do this shit. So, first you put your foot sideways, right? That way you can hit the brake and rev, all right? Because you need to make sure you don't roll. You need this foot working that clutch. So first we're gonna just start off with nice and easy here. We're gonna put it in first. I missed third, thank God. Alright guys, a little bit of a rerun here. We're gonna do that again, alright? 3 pedals, lots of smoke because this is our second run. First gear. What the fuck?
No.
Yep. $100% broke it.